Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be giving you a demo of a brand new project, the Money Tracker app. This is a simple yet powerful build using React for the frontend and MongoDB for the backend. It's perfect for tracking your daily transaction, whether it's income or expense. So let's jump in and see what this app can do. Alright, so here's the main interface of the Money Tracker app. You can see that it has a clear and minimalistic design. At the top, we have the title Money Tracker app, and below that, there is a form where you can add the transaction of, like you can add right here the amount, the transaction name of what you have taken, like salary or grocery shopping, and you can edit the amount as positive or negative it has on your balance. Then it has the date. You can select the date of the transaction, and it's for defining its description of it. Let's add a sample transaction. I will add right here like 400 plus lunch at cafe minus and today's date, and then add a and description as anything you you want. Okay, you will see that it gets added to the transaction list below right here. As you can see, it has, like, we can edit it and delete the record, like it has the record as Samsung TV, which is okay. 200 price of his sales, and description as this, but its time was different, like right here we have changes time, and it will going to show a result like it has successfully updated, and right here it has updated right here also. Finally, if you want to remove a transaction, that's super simple too. Just click the delete button and it will remove from the list instantly. Let me delete this sample entry now. This. Now what's great about this app is that all of these transactions are being saved to a Mongo database. This means even if you refresh the page or close the app, your data is still safe and will be loaded again when you come back. The app uses the Node.js as backend to the MongoDB. So every time you add, update, or delete a transaction, it gets reflected in the database too. Like you can see, it has shown, like let's refresh it to see what its actual data right now. Like you can see right here, like the first transaction and the second transaction of which we have entered right here, right at this UI. So that's a quick demo of the Money Tracker app. This project is perfect for beginners who want to learn full stack development using React and MongoDB. If you find this demo helpful and want to build this project yourself, stay tuned because I will be uploading a full tutorial series covering the entire process step by step. Do not forget to like this video if you enjoy it, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss out the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding everyone, and remember, keep track of your expense and stay financially healthy. Bye for now.